Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying compatibility: CPU socket, GPU form factor, BIOS support, and thermal headroom. Once you've confirmed parts, make sure to power down, unplug, and remove the battery. Use an anti-static strap. Start removing the service panel and document screw locations with labeled trays. As you expose the internals, photograph connector positions and cable routing so reassembly is painless. Don't waste time. Organize screws and tools now. This saves troubleshooting later when components look the same but are in different places. You proceed by removing the heatsink. Loosen screws in a diagonal pattern to avoid warping, then lift straight up. Once exposed, disconnect fans and carefully unclip or unsolder modular GPU if required. Remove the CPU or MXM GPU by following the manufacturer release method, handle by edges, and align the replacement precisely to the socket. Apply a thin, even layer of thermal paste, about 0.2 to 0.5 mm. Then reseat the heatsink and tighten screws diagonally to specified torque to ensure even contact. You finish by reconnecting all cables, replacing panels, and plugging power back in. Then enter BIOS to confirm the new CPU/GPU are detected and firmware shows expected frequencies. Once done, boot into the OS, install chipset and GPU drivers, and run 15 to 30-minute stress tests while monitoring temperatures and clocks. If something goes wrong, make sure to power off, reseat components, clear CMOS, and check power delivery. Most issues trace back to seating, BIOS settings, or incompatible thermals rather than dead hardware.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.